Forget everything you thought you knew about mid-range smartphones because the brand new Oppo F31 is here and it's ready to shake up the game. From stunning design to serious power under the hood, this phone might just be the best bang for your buck in 2025. Let's dive in. The Oppo F31 comes with a sleek, premium design that honestly looks like a flagship. On the front, you're getting a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling through your socials, gaming, or binge-watching Netflix looks buttery smooth. And yes, the bezels are razor thin, giving it that modern, edge-to-edge feel. Under the hood, the F31 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chip, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. That means you're getting fast performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just snapping through apps. And the best part? It comes with 5G support, so you're future-proofed when it comes to blazing fast internet. Now let's talk cameras, because Oppo is known for bringing serious photography power. The F31 rocks a 108-megapixel main sensor, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel depth lens. Selfie lovers, you're covered with a 32-megapixel front camera that delivers crystal clear shots even in low light. Perfect for TikToks, Instagram stories, or that next viral YouTube short. Powering all of this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that easily lasts all day. And thanks to Oppo's 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in under 20 minutes. That means less time plugged in and more time on the go. So, is the Oppo F31 the mid-range king of 2025? Honestly, it might just be. You're getting flagship-like features at a price that won't burn your wallet. What do you think? Would you pick this over a Samsung or even an iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.